A lot of the building code is about rooms, and that just kind of makes sense because the purpose of the building code is to keep people safe, and the people are in the rooms. So, so visualizing rooms is an important part of developing your strategy and making sure you've set all the parameters needed for your plan review. But we see we've got a view template here with SMRV room name, and I have a color scheme of name, but it's grayed out. So if I go to the view template, I can edit that color scheme. So here it is as name, and I can open that up and I can see what that is. So so it applies to room objects. It applies to the name attribute, and I've got a title of room. I've got the color applied to the names. So so that's a very simple one. And I can see that I've set up other room ones, so room classification, which classifies all the rooms by the building code classifications. So it could be a corridor, it could be an exit enclosure, it could be a room, it could be a horizontal exit, and it will color code the plan based on those. That's done in an identical way. I've got a template set up and a color scheme set up for room classification, looking at the room type this time, and it just color codes by the building code type. And similarly, I can have room finishes for looking at the finish flame spread classification types. In this case, everything is a type C. I know that's going to fail, but the software would tell me that it would fail. I can also look at room function of space, so that I've got an assembly without fixed seats, unconcentrated. I've got a kitchen commercial. I've got a not configured, so that's just telling me that these fire stairs need to be configured with some function of space. I can go on. I could have a special use. There are no special uses in this building, however. So just to kind of recap, we can use the view templates to set up a view template and to be able to reuse all of our settings. That view template can have a color scheme associated where the color scheme applies to rooms, and it applies to a particular parameter on that room, and then generates a set of colors for it.